Okay, so let us continue from where we stopped. Okay, so this particular question said that a rectangular lawn, okay, of length p plus 4 meter is p minus 1 meter wide. And say that if the diagonal is this, so the length is longer than the width. So let's have this as the length, then this as the width. So we have something like this. So this is obviously the diagonal, and here is 90 degrees. Okay, they told us that the diagonal is p plus 5, and then the length is p plus 4, and then the width is p minus 1. Okay, so now what we obviously need to use here is Pythagoras theorem. We said hypotenuse squared, the hypotenuse, which is p minus 4, sorry, p plus 5 all squared is equal to this side, p plus 4 squared, plus this side, p minus 1 squared. So to open this place, we say square the first one, p squared, multiply the first one and the second one, double it. I'm going to have this time, this is 5. 5 times 2 give us 10p. Square the last one, I have 25. Is equal to here, the same thing, square the first one, p squared, multiply the first one and the second one, 4p, double it, I have what? 8p. Square the last one, I have 16, plus square the first one, p squared, multiply the first one and the second one, minus p, double it, I have minus 2p. Square the last one, I have plus 1. So let us collect like terms, everybody to the other side. Let's move everybody here to this side. So I'm going to have, first of all, this is p squared plus p squared for this side. This p squared moving here, I have minus another p squared. Okay, is equal to then sorry, I have 8p here, so plus 8p, I have minus 2p here. For this one moving to become another minus 10p. Okay, so which other one? So obviously I have 16 here, I have 1 here, then I'm having minus 25 is equal to 0. So this and this is gone. I'm left with p squared here. So this is 12 minus 8 to give you minus 4p. So I'm having 17 minus 25. So I have 8. So I'm having minus 8 is equal to 0. So the two factors here is obviously, what are the two factors here? 8, 2 divide 2, 4, 2 divide 2, 2 divide 1. Is it factorizable? I don't think it's factorizable. So we're going to use quadratic formula since it is not factorizable. So we can say that p is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac everything over 2a. Okay, so which is what? Minus into minus 4, because my a is the coefficient here, which is 1. My b is the coefficient of p here, which is minus 4, and my c is minus 8. Okay, so I have minus into minus 4 plus or minus the square root of minus 4 all squared, minus 4 into 1 into minus 8. Okay, then everything over 2 into 1. So I'm having 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 plus 32, then everything over 2. So I'm having that this is 4 plus or minus the square root of, what do we have here? 32, 16 plus 32. So I have 48. So 48 over 2. So what do we have? So this is 4 plus or minus 4 root 3 over 2. Okay, so if 2 cancel out, I'm going to have 2 plus or minus 2 root 3. So that is the answer. So b is equal to what? 2 plus 2 root 3 or 2 minus 2 root 3. You can actually give your answer in points if you wish. Okay, so that is that for that particular question. We move to the next one. Okay, we're asked to calculate p, then we're asked to calculate the area. Okay, let's get the area and then the perimeter. Sorry. Oh God. Okay, so that means we're going to get our answer in point, in decimal. So let's get our answer in decimal. So obviously our p is equal to, let's do that. So 2 plus 2 root 3 to give us 5.46 meter, or 2 minus, that is minus 1.46. Okay, minus 1.46. So obviously we're going to pick the one that is positive. We're picking the one that is positive. We're not going to pick the one that is negative. So obviously our P will now be 5.46 meters approximately. Okay, so if you remember the diagram again, the diagram was like this, and then we have that here the length is the breadth is P minus 1. So if you subtract 1 from here, you're going to have that here is 4.46. Okay, if you add 4 to this, you're going to have 9.46. So we'll now have that the area is simply 9.46 times 4.46. So if you do that, you are going to have that the area is, that is 9.46 times 4.46. So I'm having 42.19 in what, cm square. Okay, meter square. Meter square. So the perimeter is simply 2 in bracket of this side, which is 9.46, plus this side 4.46. So which is what, 2 in bracket of, so 13.92. So 13.92. So if you multiply it by 2, you are going to have 27.84 meters. So that is that for that. So we move to the next question. I hope it's not difficult. We just used Pythagoras theorem to find our P. Then from there we substitute, and then we are good to go. We move to the next question, and this question said, next question said a diagonal of a rectangle is 15 cm. 15 cm. They now say that if the length is 3 cm greater greater than the breadth. Okay, that's say find the they say find the perimeter, find I the perimeter, then I the area, okay, of the rectangle. Solution. Now obviously you can draw it, then you now know what to do. So they say that the length is longer, so the length is 3 cm greater than. So if the length is longer, let me have that it is like this, and this is my diagonal. So the diagonal they told us is 15. Okay, they've taken the light, but I hope you can see what I'm doing. So the diagonal is 15. This is going to be the last question because they've taken the light. So diagonal is 15, and they told us that the length is 3 greater than the breadth. So the length, this is the length, which is what, 3 plus the breadth, because it is 3 greater than. So here is my breadth. Okay, so we can still apply Pythagoras theorem because here is obviously 90. So let us apply Pythagoras. That say that hypotenuse squared is equal to this side, which is what, 3 plus b squared, then plus b squared. So what do we have? 15 squared will give us 225. So 225 is equal to, square the first one 9, multiply the first one, second one, double it 3 times, that is 6b, square the last one, you have b squared, then plus this b squared. Okay, so I'm going to have that this is 225 is equal to 9 plus 6b. Okay, 225 minus 9. Okay, let's just move everybody to this side. So this plus this will give you 2b squared plus 6b. This one I'm having plus 9 minus 225 equal to 0. So they have 2b squared plus 6b. Then if you subtract minus 9, we're going to have minus 216 is equal to 0. So we can divide everybody by 2 to have that b squared plus 3b minus divided by 2 minus 108 is equal to what? 0. So let us factorize. Let's check the two factors that can give us 3. So 108, 2 divide, I'm having 54. 2 divide, I'm having 27, right? 54 divided by 2, 27. So 27, 3 divide is 9, 3 divide is 3, and 3 divide is 1. So I'm looking for 3. How do I get 3? 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 9 is 3, right? 12 minus 9 is 3. 12 minus 9 is 3, correct. So I'm having that b squared plus 3b minus, not 36, but 3b minus 108 is equal to 0. So we're going to have b and b. Then we're having 9 and 12. So 12 and minus 9. So that this and this is giving me the 3b. So obviously I'm having b plus 12 and then b minus 9 is equal to 0. So I have that b plus 12 is equal to 0, or b minus 9 is equal to 0. So obviously I'm having that my b is equal to minus 12, or b is equal to 9. But we're not taking the negative, we're going to take the positive, obviously. So therefore, for here, my b is 12, sorry, is 9, and then my length is now 9 plus this to give us 12, right? 9 plus 3 to give us 12. So that is that. They say we should calculate the perimeter. So the perimeter is simply 2 in bracket of L plus B, which is what? 2 in bracket of my length is 12 plus my breadth is 9. So I'm having 21 times 2. That is 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9, then times 2. That is 42. So obviously 2 into 21, which is what? 42 meters. So they say we should calculate the area as well. The area is equal to 12 times 9. 12 times 9, which is what? 99, 108, right? 108. So that is that. So 12 times 9, 108 meters square. So that is that for that. So sorry, cm square. This one is in cm, so it should be cm, and then cm square. You have to be very careful with the SI unit so that you don't make mistake. They don't penalize you for writing the wrong SI unit. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? May the peace of the Lord be with you. Bye-bye.